Hey everyone, my name is Paul, and today I'll be changing the engine oil and the transmission gear oil in my scooter. This is the Honda Elite 110. It was only sold in the United States in 2010, but the rest of the world knows it as the Lead 110. This scooter has a top speed of 50 miles per hour and gets 105 miles per gallon. It has a reliable, fuel-injected and water-cooled engine and a low seat height that is comfortable for shorter riders. It also has the biggest seat compartment I've ever seen on a scooter. Mine has 5,000 miles and it's ready for some maintenance. The oil drain plug is on the right side of the scooter and takes a 17mm wrench. It's a good idea to ride the scooter a few minutes to warm up the engine before you change the oil. Honda recommends changing the oil every 5,000 miles or once per year, whichever comes first. You can tip the scooter if you want to get more oil out. Honda also recommends changing the drain plug washer every time, but I think you can use it a few times before replacement. RevZilla.com is a great place to buy original Honda parts. Enter your vehicle information, then find your parts using the diagrams. This drain plug washer is only 83 cents. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten it using the 17mm wrench. The oil filter is on the other side of the scooter and also takes a 17mm wrench. It's not really a filter, it's a wire mesh screen that catches dirt. You can use any cleaner or solvent that doesn't leave a residue to clean these parts. I have suspension clean, but brake parts cleaner or alcohol would also work. I'm adding just a little bit of grease to the O-ring so it doesn't get damaged during installation. Stack the screen on top of the spring and bolt, then install it into the engine. Next, use a skinny funnel and fill the engine with 0.7 liters of oil. You don't have to remember this number, it's written on the dipstick too. Honda says to run the engine for 5 minutes, turn it off, then wait 3 minutes before checking the oil level. The scooter must be on the center stand with the engine off. Wipe off the oil dipstick and insert it. Do not screw the dipstick in. Check the oil level. Mine is right at the full mark. If the oil level is correct, put the dipstick back in. The gear oil should be changed at the same time as the engine oil, every 5,000 miles. Use a 12mm wrench to loosen the fill plug and the drain plug. Take both plugs out and wait for the oil to drain. Normally it's black, but I changed mine recently and I'm doing it again for this video because I love you guys. You can tip the scooter if you want to get more of the oil out. Once the oil is finished draining, put the drain plug back in and tighten it. The easy way to fill the gear oil is take the scooter off the center stand, then tip it to the side and give the oil bottle a squeeze. Honda says you can use 10W30 motor oil or gear oil if you want. I think synthetic gear oil is better here, but that's just my opinion. It only takes 0.2 liters to fill the final drive gears, so filling it takes just a few seconds. Put the scooter back on the center stand and let the extra oil drain out. Tighten the fill plug using the 12mm wrench. I made this nice oil change sticker with some duct tape and a marker. I'm so organized. I saved the motor oil and gear oil so I can recycle it. Most auto parts stores will take your used motor oil. If they don't, go to your local landfill. They will have recycling for your hazardous waste. Changing the oil was easy. If you have one of these scooters, be sure to check out my other Honda Elite repair videos, and I'll see you guys next time.